It's your Hollywood maintenance again. I'm in a vacant unit. I know this dishwasher needs a water inlet valve. So I thought I'll shoot a short video on how to do that. It's a Whirlpool. Here's the model number. That's what it looks like inside. I'll leave a link in the description below of the model number and where you can have this part delivered straight to your house. Tilt it back. Get a little bucket. I get some water here. What I'm gonna do is unscrew this. This is the supply line. Make sure you always shut off the water. This one's just not hooked up because I swapped dishwashers with the occupied. This way she could have a dishwasher so she didn't have to wait over the weekend. So it came in. Just swap the dishwasher from a vacant. As you can see, that's why I bring towels with me. Looks like a 1/4-inch nut driver right here. Take that off. Pop that out. It's like a little tab. I hate these things. There we go. Then I bought this new tool. I could leave a link for the description where to find one of these. It's one of these connect picks. It's a hose clamp tool. Haven't had a chance to use it yet. Sure you can get it with a pair of pliers, but basically made for this. Then it locks into place. First time using it. Now, hook it back up the way you got it. Plug it back in. Line up the hole, just screw back. Hook up back up your supply line. don't want to crank down on it. It is plastic. But that's it. All I'm gonna do now is, since this one was disconnected, is push it back, put my hoses through, hook up the supply line back there, run it through that hole, hook up the air gap, do all that stuff, and give it a test run. But it's that simple, easy fix for all you new guys and stuff. So definitely like and subscribe if this was helpful. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below at the model number, or you can get a pair of these hose clamp pliers, which is pretty cool, and the new inlet valve. Well, thanks for watching.